Welcome to our final video on trigonometric ratios. So this is our last thing, the last thing that we're going to do. So notice the diagram that we've been given. We've been given a certain diagram with different kind of things on that diagram, okay? And the diagram, notice it has two right angled triangles, okay? Those are the two triangles it has. Not really the two triangles it has, but the two right angled triangle it has. So they say in the instruction, let's read our instruction. Triangle PQR and triangle SQR are right angled triangles as shown in the diagram below. They say PR is equals to 26, PQ is equals to 24, QS is equals to 8, SR is equals to 6, QR is equals to 10, and the angle PRQ is equals to theta. Okay, so now we have our diagram. So now let's read our first question. They say refer to the diagram above, which is this diagram. Without using a calculator, write down the values of tan of P. Okay, so now we're going to look at our two diagrams. So where is our angle P? Okay, so let's just go down and use, this one. This one will be way better because it's the only question that is there. So we'll be able to have space. So, okay, our angle P. Where is our angle P? Our angle P is right there. So this is our angle P. And our angle P is on this triangle, which is right here. This triangle. Triangle PQR. Okay, that's where our angle P is. So from our angle P, we're about to identify our sides. So from our angle P to our 90 degrees, we have our adjacent. Don't forget that. If you don't know what I'm talking about, look at the previous videos. 90 degree will face your hypotenuse side, and the remaining side will be your opposite side, just like that. Okay? So now we are gonna take it down. Remember, I said you must always write to help you remember the trig definitions, and you're looking for the trig definition of tan. So it tells you that tan theta, what's equals to tan of an angle. So right now we're using P, not theta. We're using P. So tan of our angle is equals to what? So tan of our angle, it tells us that it is equals to opposite over adjacent side, just like that. So we'll have tan theta, tan P, not theta. Tan P is equals to our opposite side over our adjacent side. And we already identified our opposite side, our adjacent side, and our hypotenuse side. So our opposite side there, what do we have? We have 10 over, what about our adjacent side? We have 2. Okay, this can be further simplified into, I think it's 5 over 13, just like that, and you will be done with your first question 4.1.1. okay, let's go to question 4.1.2. okay, question 4.1.2. so in question 4.1.2, they are looking for our sine of SQR. So where is SQR? We have our S, then we have our Q, then we have our R. Okay, so they're talking about this angle right here, this triangle right there. So we are about to identify our side using that angle right there, because our triangle SQR, it's on the triangle SQR. Okay, even the name rhymes. Okay, that's cool. So this is our angle. So we said from our angle to our 90 degree side, that's where we have our adjacent side. Then the 90 degree faces the hypotenuse. The remaining side will be your opposite, just like that. Now we're going to take it down. So you remember the definition of sine by using your SOHCAHTOA. A little bit hasty there. SOHCAHTOA. Okay, SOHCAHTOA tells us that sine is equals to opposite over hypotenuse. So our sine will be equals to opposite over our hypotenuse, just like that, which is equals to, we already identified our side. Our opposite was 6 and our hypotenuse was equals to 10, which gives us, it simplifies further, which gives us 3 over 5, like that, and you will be done. You will have gotten your answer and you will get your 1 mark, just like that. Okay, so let's go on to the next question, or the last question. Okay, now they're asking us to find, we're about to find our cos theta, okay? So this is our theta right there. So theta is on triangle PQR, this triangle right here. That's where our theta is. So we're about to identify our side. From our theta to our 90 degrees, what do we have? We have our adjacent. 90 degrees faces our hypotenuse. What remains is our opposite. Okay, we go on. Okay, remember, SOHCAHTOA tells you the definitions of your trig ratio. SOHCAHTOA tells you the definition of your trig ratio. We are using cos. Cos, it tells us, our SOHCAHTOA tells us, SOHCAHTOA, cos is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. So we'll have adjacent over hypotenuse just like that, which is equals to your adjacent. You have identified it to be 10. Your hypotenuse was equals to 26, just like that, which is equals to 5 over 13, just like that, and you will be done. Okay, those are your answers. This was our final video, so make sure you catch us on our next video where we start a new topic. Thank you very much.